Using master measures helps you focus on the most relevant measures. Organize them in the left-hand panel and make them easier for users to access. You can create master measures so they can be reused by you or others in analysis. There are several ways to create a master measure. You can create a master measure from a field. In the Assets panel, under Fields, right-click the field you want to use as a measure and select Create Measure. The Create New Measure dialog opens with the selected field. The field name is used as the default name for the measure, but you can change it. Open the expression editor and type the expression directly in the editor. The field names are validated and the syntax is checked automatically. When done, click Apply. Optionally, you can add a description, label expression, assign a color to the measure, and add tags. When done, click Create. The new measure is now saved in the Measures category of the master items and can be used in visualizations. You can create a measure using one of the most common aggregation functions. Open the expression editor. On the right-hand side, you can select fields, functions, set expressions, and variables. Choose the field from the field drop-down list. Select an aggregation function from the functions list. Click Insert to add it in the expression editor. When done, click Apply. Enter a name for the measure. Optionally, assign a color to it. Under Number Formatting, select Number and choose a formatting option. When done, click Create. The measure is now available under Master Items. You can add complex expressions by typing the expression directly into the editor. Field names are validated and the syntax is checked. When done, click Apply. Enter a name for the measure and assign a color to it. When done, click Create, and can be reused in visualizations. For example, we can create a KPI using the master items sales and margin percent. Then we create a bar chart using sales as the measure and customer as the dimension. Because we assigned green to the sales measure, it will appear in green in both the KPI and the bar chart. To edit a master measure, click the measure that you want to edit and select the Edit button. If we change the color of the sales measure, the change is automatically reflected in all visualizations that use it. Master measures can also be used inside other expressions. As you type in the expression editor, an autocomplete list of matching master measures appears, allowing you to quickly reference and reuse them. To delete a measure, click the measure and select Delete. Any visualization using it will stop working unless you replace the measure or remove it. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.